Peter Hobson from Omni Tables Australia. We're just going to show you how to change over a gas strut quickly and easily with your Omni table. It's a 5mm hex bolt, and quite simply all you're doing is just removing it. This will allow for the full range of the headpiece to move up. So with this, the headpiece will come all the way up and raise it up beyond the end point. Thanks, guys. Allow it to rest on this component here. That'll allow quick and easy access to the gas strut. And from here, just to replace back in, bring it up, take the weight of the headpiece to line up the gas strut into this slot here. Then allow the headpiece to come down and just replace the bolt. And tighten. Voila. Thanks for watching.